Hey everyone, today we are going to see how we can boost our PC up to 20%. So suppose I am multitasking and opening many kind of files such as a Word file, and I'm also doing some presentation work in PowerPoint, and so our PC gets very stacky and then it hangs sometimes in closing the app and opening the app. So let's see how we can boost them. So simply go open your browser and just go to search bar and search for PC Manager. It is a free software provided by Microsoft itself. So open the first link and you will end up getting the cool website of this Microsoft PC Manager. Simply click on download and wait for it to download. Now simply open the file and accept the user terms agreement and then simply click on install and wait for it. It will just download from the internet and then install your Microsoft PC Manager. Now before this, let's see our memory uses. So here we can see that the memory uses is about 60%, it's 59%. Now let's see how much we can boost it using our Microsoft PC Manager. This is a very cool software. So now it is installed. Now simply click on launch now and the software is loading for the first time. So here is the cool interface of Microsoft PC Manager 3.0. So now let's click on boost. So now we can see that it reduced the PC's performance up to 10%, 15% like that. And you can also see the graph, it went down directly because I have no load in my work, so it reduced to basic speed. And also the CPU reduces went down. So now let's also see what are the cool features this tool provides. So in the protection tab, you can also update your Windows by here itself, simply clicking on update. And also you can repair the taskbar if there is any widget kind of problem related to the taskbar. In the storage management section, you can just manage your storage and then clean up your storage files. And this is a cool feature which comes with Windows itself. So the storage sense is a feature which gives the functionality of automatically cleaning the temporary files and the recycle bin up to the given extent. It automatically clean up the storage after the given amount of time. So by default it is 30 days. You can increase it up to 60 days. So now I'm turning this off right now. In the apps section, you can manage the process which is running now, and you can also turn on and off the startup app for loading your OS more efficiently. So I'm turning this off. You can see. Now the cool feature is this toolbox. Now this toolbox provides you lots of other features such as boosting the PC from anywhere on the screen, taking a screenshot, opening Notepad for taking notes in any screen, and opening some Edge links, Edge files. So these are the recent file which I have opened, and you can directly open the browser also. And you can also add the features from anywhere in the toolbox. You can also create custom links by adding the URLs, HTTPS, and etc. etc. And also add the title. Now this feature is provided by Microsoft itself, and this also provides the functionality of a Smart Boost. Now this runs in the background and automatically detects whether the PC usage is high or low and the temporary files are low or up to 1 GB. If either of the condition becomes true, then Smart Boost runs and clean up the storage. So I'm turning this on right now. You also make this change. You can also experiment by getting the early access by enabling this feature. Right now, I am turning this off just to stay away from the bugs that comes when the software is in development mode. And you can simply click as many times as you want to boost your PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.